Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the medicinal hair oil which is useful for your hair loss and also useful for the regrowth of your hair. Ingredients needed are very simple. 250 ml of pure coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and half bowl full of curry leaves. There is no adverse effect on your head as it is pure organic. We are not using any chemicals. Okay, let's start. As a first step, we need to fry the curry leaves a little bit in very low flame just to take out the moisture content from this. Because in later stage, we are going to make powder of these curry leaves. So we will fry this in a very low flame for some time, for around 1 to 1.5 minutes. Fenugreek seeds have a high protein and nicotinic acid contents which are beneficial against hair fall and dandruff. Also, it is good for dryness of hair and baldness. Coming to curry leaves, which is high source of beta carotene and proteins, which reduces hair loss and increases the hair growth. Don't fry this too much. This should retain the green color. And now I have fried it for almost around 1.5 minutes. Now the moisture content from the leaves has gone. Now we can switch off the stove. Also, let's allow it to cool for some time before we make the powder. I have grinded curry leaves and fenugreek seeds in a mixer jar, and it should not be a very fine powder as you see. Let's take 250 ml of pure coconut oil in the vessel and heat it for some time. Oil is heated. Now you can see that difference. Let's add the grinded contents into it. As you see, the contents are yellowish in color initially. We have to mix the contents well in oil, and oil should boil for some time. Now you can see the oil is boiling. The bubbles are coming out. This is where the process of exchange of essence from the grinded powder into oil happens. It should boil in light flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. Let the flame be in sim. Let it boil for some time, and let's allow the essence of curry leaves and fenugreek seeds to mix with the coconut oil completely. I want to tell you something. If you are having hair fall and hair loss, definitely you have to try it out. There is no adverse effect and you are not going to pay anything for it. Now you can see the bubbles has been reduced. This is the indication that the essence exchange has been done and the boiling is done. Let's mix it well and we can switch off the stove. We have to allow the contents to cool completely for few hours so that all the good contents are absorbed into the oil very well. Then you can filter it out and store it in some bottle. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe.